So I've resumed developing this bullet hell game, and for whatever reason I feel like making a short video about the basic generation I've made. By the way, the base for my dungeon generation is Mizz's video about making roguelikes, and it's sweet and short. You can't have a dungeon without its rooms, so let's start with that. The rooms are low resolution images made with colors to represent things like blue for walls, green for enemy spawns, and so on. I take every pixel for each room, and depending on the color I place an in-game tile, and that's for the rooms. For the dungeon I have a starting room, and then I take its 4 directions in a list and randomly choose one. Then I place a room in the selected position and repeat. By the way, every room saves the block direction as places for doors. It's like if there is already a room here, place a door from this room to that one, and from that one to this room. Till next time, bye!